Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. Please hit the subscribe button if you would like to join us. Today's video, I am doing my own nails. So I have only just done these, but this is what I'm going to be doing with them. These are going to be my holiday nails. I'm actually going on holiday. I know it's kind of early in the year, but I'm going to Spain with my mother and some friends. And Glam and Glitz, no, not Glam and Glitz, Madam Glam sent me some marble inks. So I thought I would give these two a try. I have painted my toenails blue and pink to match. And this is what I'm going to be doing, basically. I'm going to do the ones that are already pink. We're going to do chrome. And then marble, blue and pink marble on the others. So I'm going to get straight into it. And I'm going to start with a marble. I'm just hoping these stay on. I do use a peel-off base coat with my nails. And normally they stay on really, really well for like 4 or 5 weeks. And this time, this one has already popped off once. This one's nearly off. But what I'm going to do is just keep sticking them back on with my nail glue. Because I genuinely don't have time to completely redo them. And literally, I did these like a week ago. So I'm not very happy. I'm not best pleased. Because literally, like I said, normally they stay on for weeks and weeks. Oh, it's just typical. So I'm going to get straight into it. What I have actually found is this stuff here is like a clear thing. It's like when you do your Sharpie marble and then you use your acetone. This is like the acetone side of it. But I find you don't really need to use it. They like I didn't really use it on here. They kind of just marbled together. I just really like the look of them. I have used the pink and a grey one on another set, which should already be up actually because they were a Valentine's set. So I hope that they're already up. So you'll have already seen those ones. So I'm just going to get straight into it. And let's do this. So yeah, as you can see, there is a shiny layer on. Now I'm hoping that it's not going to be an issue and that it's going to stay on. It went on fine over the shiny layer, but obviously there can be, sorry, my cat's scratching at my chair. There can be, it might come off really easily. So hopefully it doesn't, otherwise I'll probably cry. But yeah, I'm literally doing what I can as quick as I can because I just don't have time. So they're just inks and you just kind of splodge them on wherever you want them. I'm sure if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will be aware that I am very much a pink girl. I love my pinks. And then, do you see what I mean now? They just kind of marble together anyway, which is really fun. If you are someone who does Sharpie marble, you would be able to use the what is it on your Sharpies. So that's an option. And then you just kind of put it where you want it and like splodge it about a bit. And then you do end up having like a mixture of blue, pink and purple. What I do want to show you guys this, so let's see, let's use this inky stuff and then I can at least show you guys what it does. I think this is probably good for like if you've got a colour underneath, like you can see on there, that would have been put over a white and you want to see the white underneath, whereas I kind of just want it to be blue and pink for these. So that's kind of why I don't really need to use that. Because I want the blue and the pink to be quite, what's the word? To be quite prominent, shall we say. Right, I'm going to move on to the next one and then I might come back to that once some of it's dried slightly. But like I said, I don't know if these are going to adhere that well. I probably should have taken off the sticky layer, but then I was thinking, if it's all like, if it's like rough, I think you'd see all the lines within the ink. So I don't know how well that would have worked, so. And it's really just this easy, just splodge it where you want it. In the kit that they sent me, well, it wasn't, I don't think it was a kit, it was just like, they sent me some colours. I think I got like a beige and a grey and then the pink and the blue. This is quite a different effect to what I did on the Valentine's one. Did it more like liney, like a liney marble, so you can get different effects. And then I'm going to move on to the next one. And then I will do the hollow last. Just so I can get this perfect, well, yeah, as perfect as it's going to be before I go in with a hollow. Haven't had hollow on my nails for so long. I'm really sorry if this isn't in focus. I'm trying to like concentrate so I'm not checking the camera as much as I probably should be. I just think it's so much fun. It's such a like a tie-dye effect, isn't it? I think that's quite a good way to describe it. It's quite tie-dye-y compared to like other marbling techniques. The only problem is it does like, it can like make the other colour go more clear and I don't want that. I want it all quite bright. But you could do this over a bright colour, you see. And then you'd have a totally different effect. Kind of want them to match slightly. They're kind of, yeah, it's kind of, it is what it is, I think, with marble, innit? It's all, it all tends to be quite different. I love it! If you've been watching my nail videos for a while, you will know that marble is like my favourite. I rarely do a set. When I do like an acrylic design, I rarely do a set without at least one marble nail in it. So I'm quite happy with that, I think. I think it's all swirly whirly and cute and marbly. I do want more pink really than blue, but I'm not really that fussed. I think that's pretty fun. Hang on, this is too... It's not pink enough there. Right. And then I'm going to top coat with a no white top coat. So I've top coated the marble nails and I'm going to go in with this hollow chrome pigment over the other nails. Now, these did have a no white top coat. Like, I know this one's gonna, it's got like some scratches and that on it. So it's not going to be a perfect cover, but it's fine because we will be going in with another coat anyways. And And yeah, it worked fine on the other hand. So I think, like, do you see there where it's not picking up? It doesn't quite pick up perfectly. Because obviously there's some scratches. It's been like a week. So, but it doesn't do too bad for like a base layer. So I just love this stuff. The thumb's like the worst one. It's like, nope, no thanks. I did only do 2 layers on the other hand, but I think I'm going to go in and do 3 layers, and I'll do another layer obviously on the other hand as well. Oh gosh, that one's really bad. The other one's covered pretty much, like, pretty well on the first layer, so this one will definitely need 3. And then I'm going to top coat it. I'm just going to use the Blue Sky top coat for in between, and then I'll use my Chiara Sky for the end one. So I'm going to quickly top coat. One tip about the marble inks is maybe just let it dry slightly. I don't know if you can see, but I have got a little bit of the pigment has transferred onto this brush. And also when you're doing this, what I'm doing now, you need to really make sure it's completely covered, because otherwise you won't get the chrome effect properly. This kind of looks quite cool because it almost looks a bit marbly over the pink. I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but it's got like, looks like quite good actually. Make sure you've really covered that nail. Then I'm going to cure it and go back in with a powder again. Oh, it's a bit blurry. So this time, see if I can zoom you in slightly. This now should be a lot more pigmented. Yes, I love it. Look at that. Jasmine, what you saying, silly girl? Don't know if you can hear Jasmine talking in the background. And a little woof. You see, I think even that is enough. Because I do like that you can sort of see the pink underneath it. Why are you not focusing? Do you see what I mean? I love it. See what the thumb looks like, because the thumb didn't have anywhere near as much coverage, did it? But it doesn't look that bad. To try not to get the transfer on the other nails. I think I am going to do one more coat. Although, I don't know, it does look really good. This nail needs sticking back on. It's literally about to come off, but... So that's what that looks like. So I'll zoom you back out a bit. What do we think? Do we even need to go in with another coat? Actually, I don't think we do we? Do you know what? I don't think we do. I think we just need to top coat it now. Like, to make sure that I've dusted everything off. So, yeah, do you know what? I think we're good. I think we're good with that. You can do another layer and it will be more pigmented. So it will be, like at the moment, you can kind of see that it's got a tinge of pink underneath it. If you did another layer, you probably wouldn't get that anymore. But I kind of like that because it goes with the rest of the nails, if that makes sense. I don't know why this isn't focusing. There we go, that's better. So I'm going to use my Chiara Sky No Wipe top coat, and I will let you see this because this is the final layer now. So what I'm going to do is do the marble ones first because I don't want any transfer. It's hard for me to do this on camera. Sometimes what I tend to do as well is a quick flash cure after like 1 or 2 nails, just because I find that it often tends to run into the cuticle if I don't. Just when you're doing your own nails, it's quite difficult to get, it's quite difficult to get the angle so that you're not, what is it in it? You know what I'm trying to say. You know, I know you know. So what I'm going to do is I'll do the marbles, I'll give it a 10-second cure. I think I'm sick, guys. Can you tell? I bet you can, because I'm like a little bit coughy and a bit sniffly. So I'm just going to quickly flash cure them, because if I don't, I'll end up holding my hand the wrong way and it'll end up going into the marble, going into the cuticle, and then it's just a disaster, isn't it? It really is. So that's enough, and then I'm going to go and do the chrome. Oh, love it. I've not had chrome for quite a while, to be fair. You do just want to make sure that you take your time and really make sure that everywhere's covered, otherwise the chrome will come off. Some people like to do 2 coats probably over the marble or the chrome. I'm not too worried about, you see now, I'm going to cure that as well before I go in with a thumb. The thumb's the worst one because obviously you have to tip your hand to get the thumb, if that makes sense. So a quick 10-second cure, and then, see now it's tipped like this, and I'll just end up running into the cuticle. So I am gonna top coat this one. We're nearly done, guys. This is such a quick, simple set. But obviously all the acrylic part of it was already done. So, and I'm really sorry, but I didn't film it, which is a bit annoying, isn't it? I don't know why. I didn't actually end up filming the set that I've got on. I did them with dual forms, and I think the pink that I had, the cover pink, I think it was Mia's Secret cover pink. So I'm going to just cure those. And this is the finished result. What do you guys think? What do you think of these marble inks? I think they are so much fun. I definitely, and it's so quick to do as well, like obviously you guys saw, I mean, it was all in real time. I'm not editing this video at all. I've paused it while I've done odd bits, but it's all been in real time. And it's just literally so quick and easy to do. And it's such a fun, like, end result. I love it. So let me know down below what you guys think. I love you guys so much. I hope that I'm back now. I hope that you guys are realising that I am back. I am going to be doing more videos. Let me know your opinion on these marble inks. Thank you so much to Madam Glam for sending me them. Anytime you want to send me anything, I'll definitely try it out. You guys already know. Yeah, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and leave me your comments down below. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Love you. Bye.